and they're like, oh, then you add your description. You can write whatever for this part. It doesn't matter. It does matter. Like, sorry, that came off a little bit harsh. We will be a work of art. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys 10 different mistakes new YouTubers make that you should avoid. Now without further ado, let's get on. So the first mistake most new YouTubers make is that their content is overall bad. And what I mean by this is the audio, lighting, stuff like that is really bad. Like viewers or potential subscribers don't want to watch your videos if it has bad lighting or bad audio. Like if they can't see your face, they're gonna click off. If they can't hear your voice and they have to like try and like read your lips or try to interpret what you're trying to say, then people are gonna click off because nobody's trying to watch a video where it has bad lighting and it has bad audio. So the second mistake that you should avoid is having an unpresentable channel. And what I mean by this is having really bad channel art or having a really bad like profile or YouTube icon profile, that little circle thing. Yeah, having a really bad picture for that, because when new subscribers or potential subscribers come into or see your YouTube channel, they see your channel art and your icon first. So what you want to do is you want to make that really stand out so people can want to click on your videos and actually watch your videos, which leads on to the next mistake. So the third mistake is your thumbnail, and this is kind of the same thing as what I was talking about before about making your channel look presentable. This thumbnail helps your video be presentable. Like if people see a really good thumbnail, they're gonna want to click on the thumbnail. But if your thumbnail is bad, YouTube makes thumbnails for you. So if your thumbnail is like this, people might not want to click on your video. If they would rather click on the video that you did a good thumbnail on than the one that has just like a random part of your video, like a frozen clip of your video as your thumbnail. So you want to make your thumbnail look very presentable. The fourth mistake you should avoid is not being consistent. And what I mean by this is you're not posting when you should. Like you tell the subscribers or your subscribers that you're gonna be posting every single Tuesday, or you're gonna be posting twice a week, and they come to your channel when you say you were gonna post and they don't see any videos because maybe you don't have ideas, you just don't want to shoot, it's a lot of work. And then they come the next week, same thing, they don't see any content. And then the week after, they come and they see a video, and the cycle keeps repeating. They're gonna unsubscribe because they're trying to see your content, but you're not giving them that, so they're gonna unsubscribe and go to other people. The next mistake that you should really avoid is not having enough video ideas down, which can lead to you not posting, and that other mistake that you should also avoid that I talked about before. But you should have a lot of videos down because you're not gonna think of videos off the top of your head. So it's good to have a whole list. So you could have you could look up apps on your phone that probably make you make lists, or you could just get a book, write like 50 ideas, at least 50 ideas. So when you just need a video idea like this quick, you have like a whole list that you can pick from. Quick announcement, if you made it to this part of the video, I just want to thank you so much because you made it like halfway through the video. So I want to thank you for sticking around to this part of the video. Make sure to comment down aliens to confuse the people who didn't make it this far. But the next mistake is spamming, and what I mean by this is spamming sub for sub, spamming on other people's content or other people's videos in the comments, and you're like, oh, small YouTuber here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I post videos every single blah 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 blah, and you have like 50 of that same comment on this creator's video. Like nobody's trying to look at their comments and see it. Literally half of their comments be your comments saying that they're subscribers to go to your channel. And if you're gonna do it, you should do it in a way that you watch their videos when they post. The creator that you're trying to put your comment down on their videos for, at least watch their video and then comment down below what you like about their video, or like comment down below, oh, I like this video, was very helpful, or you're so pretty, make sure to by the way, make sure to check out my channel, blah blah blah. Do it in that kind of way, but don't go to the channel and start spamming, talking about some subscribe to my channel, oh my god, go to my channel, stop watching this video, go to my channel, I did the same thing on my channel. Like, stop spamming. Another thing, for the sub for sub, stop spamming with that, because if you're starting off on YouTube and all these subscribers are sub for sub, half of those subscribers, they're going to unsubscribe from your channel, because half of those subscribers, you made them subscribe to you. They don't want to subscribe to you. They don't like your content. They're gonna unsubscribe, and you're just gonna see your followers go down, down, down. Mistake number 7, finally got where we are, but number 7 is not having searchable content. And what I mean by this is, when you see big YouTubers that you want to become big YouTubers, you want to become famous, blah, 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 you see these YouTubers not having that much of searchable content. Like, they're like, oh, all about me or something like that. These YouTubers have already had they have a whole lot of subscribers, to the point where they have subscribers that will literally watch anything they post. They could post a video and just have the title be a smiley face, and people will still watch the videos. You don't have that. So what you need to do is, you need to have searchable content, and not just put like your intro is probably like all about me. Nobody's trying to search up all about you. Nobody knows you yet. You're still trying to get people to know who you are. So you can't make all about me's for your first video. And you can't have your title not be searchable either. Like making an emoji your title. Like, girl, put searchable stuff that people actually might search up, like you might search up, or other people who like the same thing as you might search up. The 8th mistake is not writing a good description. You have to write a good description. It's not optional. Like, I see people on their videos, like they're showing a tutorial, and they're like, oh, then you write your description. This part is not important. You don't have to write anything for this part. It's important. Like, girl, when you're writing your description, if you don't know what to write on your description, go onto other people's channels, look at the description, see what they write. They're probably gonna write what the video is about, write what your video is about. Just little, not the whole video, not what the whole video is about, just like little parts of the video. Like my iMovie video, like I taught you guys how to edit on iMovie, so my description will probably be like, in this video I taught you guys how to edit on iMovie, blah 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 blah, stuff like that. And don't copy the exact same thing they put in the description. Put your own little flavor to it, but don't copy them. Overall, just write your own description. Make it long. Don't make it 3 sentences, okay? Make it really long. Now, the 9th mistake is giving up on your channel way too easily. Like, YouTube is not something you're gonna post, like, it's not something like this, like you post 2 videos and you're automatically famous. Like, it might work for you, some of you, 1%. Some of y'all might make it on YouTube like that, but most of the time you start from all the way below. And you see all these other YouTubers that are famous on Instagram, and they come onto YouTube, they make a YouTube channel, and they have like 300,000 subscribers already. That's because they already have subscribers on Instagram, so their subscribers come to YouTube and watch them on YouTube because they already love them. You don't have that. They probably started from the bottom on Instagram to grow up to where they are right now on Instagram, or maybe use another app where they started from the bottom. So you need to start from the bottom and build your way all the way up to the top. Oh my god, my lighting is leaving. But you got to start from the bottom and work your way all the way to the top. Don't give up. Like, it's going to take so long for you to make it on YouTube, and you just have to have the patience. You just have to be like, just go with it. There's gonna be so much ups and downs. You're gonna have good times, you're gonna have bad times. You're gonna feel like people aren't watching your content. They probably aren't, but you're gonna feel like people don't care about you, stuff like that. But you just gotta keep going. Keep going. The 10th and final mistake is wanting monetization so bad on your YouTube channel. It's not going to come that quickly. You're not gonna post 50 videos and want to start making the money, start balling, start buying your own mansion, stuff like that, girl. It's not gonna work like that. When you start off on YouTube, for the monetization stuff to work, if you know about this, then great. If you don't, you gotta have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot. 4,000 hours, that's a lot. So if you're doing this for the money, if you're doing YouTube for the money, not that I'm saying you can't, but if you're only doing it for the money, half of the time it's gonna show on your YouTube videos, and the second half you're gonna get really frustrated. You're gonna get so sad. It's gonna be an emotional roller coaster. You're gonna get angry. You're gonna get mad. You're gonna give up. All right, it's not gonna be that easy to make it on YouTube. You're not gonna start making money just like that in a whole year. All right, you gotta put out your content, start making money. And when you even start making money, it's not even that much. Like, you can only redeem your money or get your cash if it's over $100. So you probably make like $120, $150 on your first paycheck. Anyways, guys, that was the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you guys want me to do a part 2 to this video or more videos like this, make sure to tell me down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to do it. And I'll see you guys next week Wednesday. Mistake number 8 is not, wait, hold up.